Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open a Kia Soul key fob. First, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. A clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components. Take a moment to observe your key fob's design. This will help you understand where to apply pressure. We'll start by locating the small slot on the fob's edge, which is our entry point for the screwdriver. This initial step is key to a smooth process. Now, let's carefully separate the key fob's two halves. Look for a small notch or slot, usually on the side where the physical key might emerge. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot with a steady hand. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You should hear a small click as the halves begin to separate. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. This step requires a delicate touch to ensure the internal components remain intact. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently pry it out, noting its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This is important for correct installation. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully slide it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Make sure it sits snugly in place. This simple swap will restore power to your key fob, getting it ready for reassembly. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of your Kia Soul key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely fastened. Give the fob a quick test to ensure all buttons function correctly. If you encounter any issues, gently reopen and recheck the battery placement. Remember, a properly closed fob protects the internal electronics. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.